I'm exploring El Nido, a stunning destination in the north of Palawan here in the Philippines. In the first video of this series, we stayed on Daracotan Island, an incredible private island located just off the mainland where we stayed in a beautiful beach shack and had this incredible paradise almost entirely to ourselves.
Oh, guys and girls, this is stunning. I'm so happy I picked this little place.
After leaving the island, we headed straight to Nakpan Beach for our second video, where we stayed in the unique and incredible Nakpan Beach glamping, right on the beachfront of one of the Philippines' most amazing beaches. Welcome to this third and final video covering my incredible trip here in El Nido. In this video, we're back in El Nido town to go on an amazing island hopping adventure to discover some of El Nido's most beautiful areas. I can't wait to share this experience with you, so let's get started.
Good morning from here in El Nido. Today we're going island hopping. Let's go.
As our boat carved its way through the beautiful waters of El Nido Bay, we soon arrived at our first destination, Seven Commando Beach. This beach was pristine and one of the nicest beaches I've ever visited. I really wanted to take lots of photos and footage here, but it was unfortunately very busy. It became clear that Seven Commando Beach was the first stop for most of the tour companies, as this place was swarming with tour groups.
Welcome here to the first stop. This is Seven Commandos Beach. The place is absolutely gorgeous. The water looks incredibly turquoise. The beach is nice and short, nice palm trees and perfect weather. So yeah, this is awesome. We only have half an hour here though, so I'm trying to get some photos and footage quickly. This beach is gorgeous, but my god, this is busy. Like, it's impossible to take a great photo here. There's just too many people. There's all those people around everywhere taking photos. You can understand it, why it's so popular.
This was still a gorgeous location to visit, but I would love to come back again someday during a quieter time.
That's our boat just got in now, so yeah, we're going to head off to the next place.
After departing Seven Commando Beach, we stopped briefly at a snorkeling spot and continued on to our third stop, Secret Lagoon.
So this is us here at the third stop, which is Secret Lagoons. We need to go through this little hole in the wall here, and hopefully we'll go somewhere nice.
This was another stunning area with beautiful beaches, limestone cliffs and crystal clear waters.
I'm almost tempted to stay in the area outside here because this is beautiful. There's a little beach over there, water looks amazing, so yeah, gorgeous area again.
To get into the Secret Lagoon itself, you have to climb through a fairly narrow hole in the limestone cliff, which brings you into the small lagoon. This was quite cool to see, but the area outside is a lot more picturesque, so we didn't spend too long in here and came back out. Upon leaving Secret Lagoon, it was time for lunch, and our boat crew put on this absolute feast which we ate on the boat itself. Luckily the food was delicious and there was plenty to go around. After lunch we had a little swim break to let the food settle before heading on to our final stop for the day. Our last destination was the stunningly beautiful Big Lagoon. To enter the lagoon, you take a kayak through a very shallow passageway where you can easily stand and get some nice photos. It eventually gets much deeper as you enter the lagoon, and it's big enough to explore around and find some quiet areas to yourself.
So this is us kayaking into Big Lagoon at the moment. So this is Big Lagoon. It's gorgeous. The water's so turquoise here. It's not too far paddle either. The kayak hire was 300 pesos from our boat, so that was absolutely fine. And yeah, you kind of paddle through a main channel, which is nice, and then you turn around a kind of U-turn corner and you end up in this beautiful spot. Just don't want to hold my phone over the water, that's all, because it's going to end up in there. And I've already lost one camera on this trip, so I don't want to lose my phone as well.
Once we were done at Big Lagoon, that was our tour complete. We headed back to El Nido town to get some much needed rest and air conditioning. We really enjoyed this island hopping trip. It showed us some of the stunning places that El Nido has to offer. This was just one of the tours available, and speaking to some of the others in our group, apparently one of the other tours is even better.
And that concludes this island hopping video. What a great day out we had, and taking some really stunning places here in El Nido. Really loved all of them, to be honest. Big Lagoon was probably the highlight. Yeah, if you're in El Nido, definitely give that tour a go. That was tour A. Got this wee guy to cool down, walking back to the hotel now. But yeah, he's melting like crazy actually. So if you did like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Ingat!
Overall, our trip to El Nido has been such an unforgettable journey that I can't wait to come back and explore some more of the natural wonders that Palawan offers. I do hope that you've enjoyed this 3-part mini-series. For now, my plan is to settle in Manila, the capital city of the Philippines, and continue to explore more of the areas this amazing country has to offer. Maraming salamat.